Today in this sample video, I'm going to teach you how to write a first code in Java. My editor is BlueJ and I'm going to write a program in Java. Well, I'm going to click on new class because I'm going to write my first program, and every program I'm going to write in each and every new class. So whenever I click on new class, I need to write here a name to my class. So name we always start with a capital letter. So first I have clicked on class and I'm clicking on OK button. So here you can see my class is ready, and the code which is already there in the class, I recommend you to select every code and delete, as we are going to write a code by our own. So a class, first of all, I'm going to write because I'm designing my class and class is a keyword. And then you guys can see the name of the class, what I have written at the top, the same name I'm going to write here, class first. I'm going to create a space of writing my class. So for this, I just need to open curly braces and I need to close. I need to create some space in between so that I can write a code inside. Now, so guys, when we come inside the classes in Java, we need to create one more function, that is main function, from where our code is going to run, and we will get to know what is the output of the code. So I'm just going to write here a main function which starts from public, which is my visibility mode, so that I can access this class from anywhere. Then I need to write here static. Static means only one. I can write my main function once, and then after this I'm going to write here void, guys, because my main function is not at all returning anything. The name of my function is main, and this we need to write as a main only. We cannot change the name of this function, as this main is predefined, which is the name of a main function. And always whenever we are writing a class, whenever I want my class to execute, to run, I need to add this public static void main in my class, and then my class will work. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm again going to create some space so that I can write a code inside a public static void main. Now I'm coming inside. So my first code is all about printing a statement on my screen. So I'm just going to use here a statement, that is system.out.println, through which I'm going to print something on my screen. Any statement, any message can be printed on my screen. Then I'm going to open a double inverted comma and I'm going to write here hello world, which is my first statement which I'm going to print on my screen. At the end, I need to come up and I just need to leave here semicolon. It means this is a terminator. My line terminates here. So system is my class basically, where I'm having out is a stream and println is a function through which I'm sending this hello world to my console, and it will be printed to my screen. Now my code is already done. I'm just going to arrange my code by indentation key, that is shift control I. And now my code is arranged, and I'm just going to click on compile so that my code is done. You can see my code is compiled successfully. I don't have any error. And if I want to run my code, guys, I just need to right click to my class. I need to click on void main. You can see I'm getting hello world. This is my old hello world because I executed this code twice, and I'm going to execute it once again. I'm clearing my screen. I'm coming back to my main screen, my home screen. I'm going to right click here. I'm going to click on void main, and now you can see my output screen and you can see a hello world. So guys, with the help of this system.out.println statement, you can print any statement in your Java code. So here we have done our first program of Java printing hello world. Thank you so much.